The ZONESUN ZS-UWB8 is an automatic ultrasonic bottle washing machine designed for thorough cleaning of small vials. It combines bottle unscrambling, ultrasonic cleaning, high-pressure water and air flushing, and automatic collection. With a production capacity of 30 to 50 bottles per minute, it is ideal for cleaning 3 ml to 10 ml vials, dual lanes available, ensuring high cleanliness and efficiency for pharmaceutical and cosmetic production lines.